In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to Teams. This simple process can help streamline your workflow by integrating your files and collaboration tools in one convenient location. If you often find yourself juggling between storage solutions and communication platforms, then this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and make your Microsoft Teams experience more efficient. First things first. You'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your credentials ready and head over to the Microsoft account portal. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your account dashboard, a place where you can see all your Microsoft services at a glance. Having trouble logging in? Double-check your email and password or reset your password if needed. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to locate the Apps Launcher. You might know this better as the waffle icon, which is typically found in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will display a drop-down menu with all available Microsoft apps, providing easy access to many of the tools you use daily. Now, let's focus on finding Microsoft Teams from this Apps Launcher. Scroll through the drop-down list until you see the Teams icon. Give it a click, and the Teams interface will open up. If Teams isn't showing up right away, make sure you're properly licensed for it or contact your IT administrator for assistance. As Teams loads, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is the navigation bar where you'll find icons for various Teams features like chat, calendar, and apps. Right amongst these icons, you should spot the familiar OneDrive icon. It's represented by a blue cloud icon, serving as your gateway to cloud storage within Teams. Ready to integrate OneDrive into your Teams workspace? Simply click on the OneDrive icon. This will seamlessly open your OneDrive files within the Teams environment, bringing all your cloud storage directly to your fingertips, right where you collaborate most. Having issues spotting the icon? Make sure your permissions are correctly set, allowing the integration of OneDrive with Teams. With OneDrive now open in Teams, you have seamless access to all your stored files. This integration allows you to easily share documents with your team, collaborate in real time, and keep your projects moving forward without ever leaving Teams. Your files are now as simple to reach as your Teams chat. And there you have it, a streamlined way to bring OneDrive into Teams. By following these steps, you're not only simplifying your processes, but also boosting your efficiency for smoother teamwork and collaboration. I hope this tutorial has been both informative and easy to follow. Now, go ahead and make the most out of your Teams experience with OneDrive integration.